Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to this video on the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2023. Today we will learn about the amazing discoveries of Katalin, Karikó and Weissman, who won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for their discoveries concerning nucleoside-based modifications that enabled the development of effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19. Today we will also learn about what mRNA vaccines are, how they work, and what are the challenges and opportunities they offer for the future of medicine. So first of all, let us understand what mRNA vaccines are and how they work. As you may know, mRNA stands for messenger RNA, which is a molecule that carries genetic information from DNA to the protein-making machinery of the cell. Proteins are essential for the structure and function of all living organisms, including viruses. And vaccines are substances that stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies and memory cells that can recognize and fight off a specific pathogen. Traditionally, vaccines have been based on killed or weakened viruses, recombinant proteins, or viral vectors. However, these methods require large-scale cell culture, which is time-consuming, costly, and prone to contamination. Moreover, some viruses are difficult to grow or manipulate in the lab, such as HIV and influenza. The mRNA vaccines offer a novel and promising alternative to conventional vaccines. Instead of introducing a whole virus or a viral protein into the body, mRNA vaccines use synthetic mRNA molecules that encode a specific protein from a pathogen, such as the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19. When these mRNA molecules are injected into the body, they enter some of the cells and instruct them to produce the encoded protein. The protein then triggers an immune response that prepares the body to fight off the actual infection. Now you may wonder, how did Karikó and Weissman discover this revolutionary technology? Well, it was not an easy journey. They faced many challenges and obstacles along the way. One of the major challenges was to overcome the innate immune system, which recognizes foreign RNA molecules as potential threats and activates inflammatory responses that can damage the cells and tissues. Karikó and Weissman discovered that by modifying one of the nucleosides in mRNA called uridine, they could reduce its immunogenicity and increase its stability. They replaced uridine with a slightly modified version called pseudouridine, which is naturally found in some types of RNA in the cell. This modification made the synthetic mRNA less recognizable by the immune system and more compatible with the cellular machinery. Karikó and Weissman published their groundbreaking findings in 2005, showing that modified mRNA could induce a strong immune response against a model antigen without causing inflammation. They also demonstrated that modified mRNA could be delivered into various types of cells using lipid nanoparticles, which are tiny spheres of fat that protect and transport the mRNA molecules. The discoveries by Karikó and Weissman were critical for developing effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19 during the pandemic that began in early 2020. Through their groundbreaking findings, which have fundamentally changed our understanding of how mRNA interacts with our immune system, the laureates contributed to the unprecedented rate of vaccine development during one of the greatest threats to human health in modern times. The mRNA vaccines have proven to be safe and effective against COVID-19 as well as its variants. The success of mRNA vaccines against COVID-19 has opened new horizons for vaccine development against other infectious diseases. Several mRNA vaccines are currently in clinical trials or preclinical stages. Some of these vaccines aim to improve the existing vaccines, while others target is the diseases that have no effective vaccines yet. In conclusion, Karikó and Weissman's discoveries concerning nucleoside-based modifications that enabled the development of effective mRNA vaccines against COVID-19 have revolutionized the field of vaccinology and medicine. They have truly deserved the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for their remarkable contribution to science and humanity. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Looking forward to welcoming you back in our next video, where we will explore another engaging topic, inshallah. And until then, take care.